All right, hey everybody. I thought I'd do a short video on discussing the warranty on your bowling ball, what voids it and what doesn't void your warranty. So if you watched my Brunswick hypnotized video the other day, I actually drilled into the pin into the ring finger, right? And my assumption was that it voided the warranty. Well, it took somebody to comment on that video saying, oh, just to let you know, it doesn't void the warranty. So everything I looked up before on the internet says, oh, if you drill into the pin, it voids your warranty, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I decided to do some digging here and I found some information and hopefully help you guys if you guys are drilling on your own or if you want to just keep the warranty. So we've got Motive first. Motive has a 1-year warranty. And the main things that I found in this is you can't drill shorter than a 1/4 inch on your bridge. Anything less than a 1/4 inch will void your warranty. Also, you can't drill within a 1/2 inch of the pin, right? That will void your warranty. And those are the big takeaways from that. For Motive, once again, Motive's a 1 year with that information there. The shortest warranty of all the bowling balls. I got Storm right here. I found their information. They have a 2-year warranty. And you can't drill less than 1 inch from the pin, right? And also bridge, anything less than a 1/4 inch. Okay, that's Storm. And then we go to Brunswick. And Brunswick is special. So I have pretty much all Brunswick balls here. I wanted to kind of show the difference. So with Brunswick, to start off, they have a 2-year warranty. Once again, bridge within less than a 1/4 inch voids the warranty, and also drilling next to the pin less than 1 inch. Okay, so you can't drill less than 1 inch. Well, Brunswick has what they call dot technology, right? You can find this information on their website. I looked it up and check it out. There's an unrestricted drill area right here. You can drill anywhere you want and it won't void the warranty. You just can't drill in the bottom solid circle on the ball, right? If you notice that, they kind of changed it. Balls years ago, you couldn't drill anywhere near the pin because they risked the ball could crack or whatnot. So Brunswick came out with this technology to kind of help you and make the balls more durable and able to drill anywhere around this pin without voiding the warranty. Okay, so you can find this information on their website. And if you go on their warranty, it also says, oh, okay, warranty is not covered if you drill within 1 inch of the pin. Well, it doesn't say anything about the dot technology, right? So I emailed them, got this email back from Stephen Kern, who is a customer service specialist over at Brunswick. And he said, there are no restrictions related to drilling near the dot engraving. I have included a link to the dot documentation with additional information. So he sent me them links on the dot. So what's the difference? This solid circle right here, you drill anywhere within 1 inch, your warranty is void. If you drill anywhere near here, your warranty is not void. All right. So it's got to be the circle with pretty much a hollow circle, and it's found usually on the high performance B7 balls. So I have a Columbia 300 Pure Madness, which has the hollow circle. You can drill anywhere in here, warranty's still good. Here's a Brunswick Mesmerize, hollow circle. You can drill anywhere in there. Here's an Archetype Hybrid back here. All right, and you've got a hollow circle. Okay, so you can drill anywhere near those pins in the pin and it won't void the warranty. Solid pin will void the warranty. Also, if you look on the bottom, and if you can see that in light, there's a solid circle there. You can't drill anywhere near that solid circle. If you drill that solid circle, it's going to void your warranty. Here's another one. Okay, if you can see that in the light, solid circle. So hollow circle is good, solid circle, no. Let's see if this one has it. I don't see that one. This one, same thing. Kind of a black circle, kind of hard to find. So hopefully this information helps you guys out with warranties, because I know the stuff on the internet can be pretty vague. So if this helped you out, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe, all the fun stuff, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.